AI stocks have a lot of attention, but there's certain companies that are pretty big that don't get a lot of attention because they've been around for a long time, or maybe they've got questionable integrity, or maybe there's just newer companies that are more exciting that are getting more attention. As a result, they're not seeing as many investments. A company that I'd put into this bucket of one of those factors would be Supermicro. Supermicro is a company that provides the AI infrastructure for the xAI Colossus, which is the largest supercomputer in the world for AI. They specifically provide the liquid cooling superclusters that power the large supercomputer for xAI. So Elon's companies, this is a company I remember when I was first getting into investing. One of the indicators I used to look at was which companies are powering this company, which company are making it possible for this company. And I would search, for example, what companies make it possible for Tesla to succeed. And then I would have an explanation. I'd find an example. Oh, NVIDIA chips. Or, if you look at AMD, one of our top investments, you can see here up on the right, where you've got this return of 463% on AMD and about 451% on AMDL. So this is perfectly tied into today's trade. I'm going to walk through it. But this morning, we just wrapped up our live session where we were trading Supermicro with a very similar setup to why and how we traded AMD. So let me walk you through it. And if you ever want to tune on into those daily live trading sessions, it's going to be the second link in the description below to join in and see our entries and our exits at market open. So let's take a look. Supermicro. What we did this morning, we saw this big dip down to this near support level around $27.50. This is a level that they bounced throughout June. They haven't broken below, but dropped down to today at market open. We saw them holding around this $27 price point. Now, what we're looking for is this potential reversal of about 24%, which we ended up taking a trade in this morning on this dip. And we see a little bit of a movement up. Now, the only nuance is there's a couple things. Number one, while they're in the data center market and the xAI Colossus is a factor, their revenue could be a factor. All these things are exciting for the long term. The things that are actually driving the company for the short term, a little bit different values we consider. We're looking at the support and resistance. We're looking at the volume. We're looking at the market surging today in the data center markets, and similar companies like AMD doing well today that can drive some of the growth and be tailwinds for Supermicro. So that was something this morning. And those are all factors for the short term that are kind of putting us in the position to take advantage. Now, I actually hold this company, Supermicro long term, and I'll kind of walk you through why. While they do this xAI Colossus and they've seen a lot of growth in the sector, they aren't seeing a lot of attention and investment. They've got an $18 billion market cap. However, they did over $18 billion in revenue over the last quarter, 2 quarters, and they're currently doing around, on track to do over $40 billion for the year. So annually, they've been really doubling their revenue and they've got net income positive. They don't have huge margins. They've also had institutional selling and their balance sheet is okay at $8 billion in equity, not too bad, as they hold $23 billion in assets that are much greater than that of their liabilities at least. But the reason why we probably had institutional selling and we've had some big sell downs and they sell down to this big bottom support here when they were just recently at $51 literally a month ago, and now they're down to 29, is because of some of the reasoning with their negative news, which is one of their co-founders, one of their executives sold some Supermicro product, executive sale to China, unpermitted, and they smuggled, the word is smuggled, approximately $2.5 billion in NVIDIA-equipped AI servers into China. So this was an operation where they literally sold to China, and it was a big deal. a lot of the company is saying, hey, we were not aware of this. And the actual executive, the person that was the co-founder, had to resign. He's, basically put in the seat of being responsible for this. And currently there's an investigation, but there's been no convictions so far for the company of Supermicro. So there's no like negative current fact of wrongdoing from the company perspective, but definite wrongdoing from the internal executive that was at a high level, which could be seen as the company wrongdoing as well. And as a result of this selling to China without authorization, they ended up seeing a massive drop down. $51 back down to 27. And look, while I could be bearish on the fact that that's the case, I actually see that they have a lot of growth ahead of them. They've got this assets growing, they've got their income doubling. And while institutions have been selling off huge, you look at some of the targets into the next year or so, some of them are as high as $40 a share in Gemini. And Gemini is one of our most accurate models. So on Prophecy, whether I'm on my desktop or I'm on my phone, I can actually pull up, the projections here, and I can get any projection from any model, and it's quite helpful. I do it quite often. But in that projection, there's also some things to consider. Our accuracy currently, when we look at our models, it does vary. Okay, so when we're looking here from a projection accuracy perspective, we're looking at 54% on the 1 week with Gemini, and it kind of just varies. This is on currently about 20,000 projections here in the last, or 74,000 projections in the last 30 days. And so Gemini has been, volatile. We've seen it come in swinging. Some of the models are doing really good. Some of them are not doing good. In fact, they're actually just above 50%, a lot of them, which isn't excellent. But nevertheless, you look at some of these projections, over 50% accuracy currently for these last 30 days. And we look at some of the projections here where there are some really bullish projections. So some favorable things there from a target perspective. Here is where you're going to find the most value looking at Supermicro. I mentioned that we were trading it the same way we trade AMDL. So for example, when AMD announced they were moving into data centers and they were providing the structure, the semiconductors for the structures of space, or up in Starlink, that's powering this current internet for this stream. So they're really good in that they saw a lot of revenue from that. AMD powering Starlink was a big indicator for me to buy AMD early. And that's why we have good returns. If you're looking at Supermicro Computer, they're selling down. They don't look good with that recent news, everything else. But if you were to look at, hey, they are providing for the number one current AI supercomputer in the world for xAI Colossus. The xAI is crushing it. They have $1 billion a month from Google and a lot of other deals with Meta, and they're really doing well. And liquid cooling is in high demand, as you got to keep these things cooled in a way that's not going to require output of a bunch of heat from these data centers. We can't afford that. It's obviously something that people are conscious about. And so they made a lot of money as a result. Their financials look really good. However, they are sold down, and that's why we traded them. So how do we do it? Again, same way we did AMD. We have Supermicro Computer long-term, but we went over here to SMCX this morning. Really small trade, just, I don't know, 4 or 5 grand. Really little trade here, but looking for about $1,500 return. That's right, $1,500 return, and really only risking about like $100. So we had our stop loss set this morning. We got in. We were looking for this move, and we're looking for this recovery on Supermicro Computer 2X up into this $10 to $11 range. And we did get $200 profit, again, just a $4,000, $5,000 investment here. And we're looking for this swing of about 25 to potentially 50% recovery on Supermicro over the next few days into that $12 range. So you got that 20 to 40% potential recovery there that we're watching on this bounce, on this double bottom that we're seeing take place. And so once again, we are trading the 2x. That's what I'm looking for. I always have stop losses set. I always want to make sure that I'm managing risk properly on a 2x trade, but I also like the longer term. So on the short term, there's a lot of technical factors, but on the long term, the financials and some of the supply that they're doing for xAI to me makes a lot of sense after they've been extremely beat down to these levels of, down here at this range now of just 29 bucks. Really big sell down. So I'm looking at this potential recovery, even on SMCI, of about 25%. So that's what we're trading today. So we'll be watching as well. If you want to know how we, execute, enter, and exit these trades every morning at market open, we are there when the market opens every day at 6:30 a.m. So it's early if you're on the Pacific Coast. It's okay if you're on the East Coast, but we're there every day, market open, 6:30 a.m. If you want to tune on in, see my entries and my exits, just like this one, have a look at the second link in the description below. If you want to get your hands on Prophecy, get some projections that we use for our positions as well, and get top quality analysis from institutional grade sources paired with the best models in the world, and we use the latest and the most premium models available. So you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars a month for Grok or for Gemini. We get the latest and best models paired with the best data to get projections for you. All you have to do is take a look at the third link in the description. And I would encourage you to simply take a look. Again, if I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.